So later, just get checks draws sa first part. Sa My Destiny hat number 33. Okay, si John Palmera, kita-kita naman ang marami talaga siyang fans. Okay, our next crowd favorite is contestant number 24 as Artas Manita of the Leash. Okay, now we call on a representative from Z-Zone on activities to give out our third place or the trophy for our second runner-up. So we call on a representative from Z-Zone. Our second runner-up is contestant.
Wait na. Sino sa tingin niyo ang second runner-up?
Yung aso!
Sino?
Sino sa tingin niyo? Ba't parang ngayon marami yung mga bets niyo? Second runner-up, motion nila. Sino pa?
Sino?
Okay, our second runner-up is contestant number 13, Optimus Prime.
Yes!
Did you got the representative from Z-Zone?
Kaya mga Optimus, ipasok na lang. Kaya.
The tiebreaker!
So, our
Congratulations,
first
Optimus Prime.
Here we call on our group to give out the award of our second place runner.
Mr. Gordo.
Here we call on a representative from PC Buyers Guide to give us the award for the first runner-up.
Naman silang lahat.
So again, the first runner-up will get 3,000 worth of cash, a trophy, and of course, 1 week free workout from Seniors World, 1 diamond plate from Seniors World, and a complimentary plate
From Century Park Hotel.
Wow!
So,
Okay, natanong ko ulit mga tao. Sino first runner-up? Tingnan nga natin kung magkatotoo ang mahula nyo. Sino ba, JB?
our first runner-up is contestant number 26, si Sandra.
Sweet naman ni Mr. B. Talagang congratulations, Sandra!
Okay?
Yeah.
So, for our grand cosplayer, ano yung mga prizes at stake?
1,000 pesos worth of cash.
A trophy,
And
1 month free subscription from My Destiny High Speed Internet,
1 free workout at Slippers World.
1 diamond peel, and 1 diamond care of Slippers World, and an overnight
Like
stay.
a Century Park Hotel. Okay, sige na. This is it. Sino?
Here we call on Mr. Richard Itina, our senior manager, sales and marketing. natin na to our grand cosplayer. So, do you think talaga sino ang grand cosplayer natin? Sige, wag na natin matagal yung Margo. Our grand cosplayer is contestant number 60, Sino Jumbo. Bagay sila, may overnight stay sa kanya. Century Park. Bisa sabihin ka na ba? Okay, so... Congratulations to our top 3 cosplayers. Palakpakan naman natin silang lahat. To other
finalists, great job everybody!
Congratulations. It's a job well done. And we would like to thank our sponsors. This event was made possible by My Destiny High-Speed Internet
in cooperation with Z-Zone Online Philippines, PC Buyers Guide, Evans, Local Destiny Cable.
With our major sponsors, Robinson's Galleria, Century Portugal, Red Fox, Humorous World International, Bartok Group, R&B Bar, Metal Diet, and ECO.
Thank you also to our media partners, UNTV, Mr. and Miss, Neo Media Publishing, the publishers of Clan Magazine.
And thank you to Miss Lisa Wong,
Miss Elise Gonzalez,
and Mr. Frederick
Tom Robinson Sands.
Thank you very much.
This event possible.
So thank you din sa mga whatever yung cosplay natin. Thank you very much.
Again, I'm Mark.
And I'm JD at Green Robinson's Galleria. Thank
See you again next year.
Destiny Cosplay Competition. Now, I'm your host, Major Season, What a Ball Show. Good night, everyone.